According to Statista, 6,94,000 hours of videos are streamed on YouTube each minute. Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach. I'm the founder of shubhamjeetkumar.com, where I post content related to affiliate marketing. And in this video, I will share the methods for promoting affiliate products on YouTube. Okay? My aim is to post videos in an easy to understand language, so anyone who watches them understands the content and information that I share easily and clearly. Okay? And if you stay till the end of this video, I will be sharing something special with you. So let's get started. And if you want, you can grab your notebooks and take notes. Alright? So let's begin. I have divided this video into two segments. In the first segment, I will share a few statistics about YouTube that will give you an idea about the potential of the platform. And in the second segment, I will share the methods and type of videos you can post on YouTube. Okay? The first and the most striking statistic about YouTube is that 6.94 lakh hours of videos are streamed every minute. That is, in every 60 seconds, people view 6.94 lakh hours of content. Secondly, YouTube is the second most popular platform after Google. With over 14 billion monthly visits, YouTube clocks in as one of the internet's heaviest hitters. Okay? The third statistic about YouTube is that it is used by 81% of the world's population. It is doing much better than Facebook, which is used by 69% of the people. And fourthly, YouTube's global ad revenue was 28 billion in 2021. Yes, 28 billion with a B. I hope you understand the potential of YouTube. Now let me ask you a question. If you have to learn something, where do you go? Do you read a blog post or do you watch a video? Pause this video and tell me your answers in the comments box below. Alright, now let's move to the second segment of this video. In this segment, I will share the methods or type of videos you should post on YouTube. Okay? So the first method is product reviews. Here's the thing. When you post a review, focus on the benefits, not the features. People want to know how the product can help them. So instead of sharing all the cool features of the product, share the cool benefits those features will have to the users. Okay? If you review any product, I would recommend you to please purchase it first yourself, use it, experience it, discover the benefits the products have, only then should you publish a review. Okay? Now, why should you use the product yourself? Because it will help people to know that your review is genuine and that you have seen the changes to your life due to the product. Alright? An ideal approach to reviewing products is to present them as solutions that solve people's problems. Before sharing the product review, share how your life was before using the product and how it is now thanks to the product. Okay? Paint the before-after picture in people's minds and provide value. Alright? The strategy that I use to review products is referring to people's questions on review websites and answering them in my video. Okay? So after sharing the product review, I will go to the product's Trustpilot account and answer the top 5 doubts and queries. Okay? I hope the product review strategy is clear. Now we come to the second type of video, how-to guides. In how-to guides, you should share the steps of how people can achieve their goals in a stepwise manner. For example, if you are promoting a digital camera, you can publish a video with the steps of how people can set up the camera from unpacking to clicking pictures. Okay? Please bear in mind that the users are normal people and they only want the steps of achieving their goal. So do not go into technical details if not needed, and try to share the steps in an easy to understand language. Okay? So if you create a review video on, for example, how to set up the camera in 5 steps, please ensure that people can set up the camera in 5 steps. If it takes 7 steps, say 7 steps. Alright? Be authentic and provide value. Solve people's problems and they will be ready to buy from you. Okay? Now, the third format is checklists. A checklist is a list of items that people need to do to achieve a goal. For example, if you want to bake a cake, you can create a checklist of the ingredients that you must have to successfully bake a cake. Okay? If you create a checklist video, you can share a PDF towards the end of your video so your audience does not forget the items they must have handy to achieve their goal. Okay? The free PDF that you offer can help you to collect leads. Alright? So, if you create a checklist, you can say something like, since you stay till the end, you can click the link below this video to download a PDF containing all the items so you do not forget them. Ensure that the items you include help in solving one specific problem, and if any item is missing, you will not achieve the goal. Okay? For example, to bake a cake, if you miss milk, do you think you can bake cake? You couldn't, right? So your checklist should contain all the items that people must complete to achieve the ultimate goal. Alright? Now, the fourth type of video you can post on YouTube is product demonstration. Although affiliate marketing is the process of earning commissions by promoting products owned by other people, you can buy them yourself, use them, and share to your audience how the products look and how they work. A product demonstration will also help people to discover the benefits of your product. Alright? You can purchase a product, use it, and show people how it will provide value and solve problems. Okay? You can follow the same strategy as suggested for product reviews. You can hop on to the top review websites and answer the top 3 to 5 questions that addresses people's doubts and queries. Okay? So, until now, we have seen the 4 types of videos you can publish. Now, we come to the 5th type of video that you can post. Case studies. Look, long story short, people want to know if the product you are promoting works, isn't it? So, share the results of people who use the product and got results. Okay? If you are promoting a weight loss product, that just came off the top of my head, okay? If you are promoting a weight loss product, you can publish a case study of someone who was overweight before using the product and saw results they desired after using the product. Okay? Case studies help greatly as they shout that people who use the product get results. Okay? People want to know if the products work, and case studies pretty much clear their doubts. Alright? You can also interview the people who got the desired results if possible, or you can use the product yourself and share your transformation. Alright? So that's about this video. In this video, we saw the 5 methods or type of videos you can publish to promote others' products. Okay? You can use any approach, but I would request you to put yourself out. I want you to be yourself while recording the videos. No one wants to hear a robot. So if you love humor, add it in your reviews, demonstrations, etc. Okay? People love to talk to and listen to people. So be the people. Talk as if you are talking to a friend. Use words such as cool, awesome, nice, and whatever you want to use. Okay? This advice was lit, isn't it? And always provide value. Always put people's aspirations before yours. Your aim must be to help people, solve their problems, and provide them with value. Okay? Now, since you stayed till the end, and as I promised, I will give you a surprise present. The present is that all of you who stayed till the end will get my ultimate 10-step affiliate marketing checklist. In the checklist, I have included all the items that will help you to set up your functional affiliate marketing business. Okay? I've placed the link in the description box below this video. Please click the link and get access to the checklist. So, if this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see more content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.